I just cast it out, looks like I'm on. Yeah, I'm on. Been catching basically every cast is a salmon. I really just hope that you can see it in the wash there. It's going to wait for this wave to come up a little bit. Wind it up on the wave wash. Double header. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Not even 10 seconds of it being in the water. 7-inch gulp. 7-inch gulp. Whole plastic missing. And this fella took the pilchard on the 8-0s. Look at that, double header, double release. Take a few salmon for the smoke box, couple for bait, the rest are going back. I'm not going to delve too deep, I only got gumboots on. Gonna wait for those waves to draw out. Go out a little and just toss them in the gutter.